Hello and welcome to this MarineShift 360 training video on using the Expert template. In this video, we will go through when and how to best use the Expert template and demonstrate how to customize it effectively for specific projects. The Expert template allows users to access all of the available MarineShift 360 data points, materials, processes, energy inputs, all within a single template. This means that you can create complex projects or processes that might not be possible using other templates. This template requires the user to have an in-depth understanding of the materials and energy inputs in a product in order to create an accurate LCA model. The Expert template can be found in the list of templates on the left-hand side of your project page. It's worth noting that the Expert template is only available to users with paid licenses. The Expert template is split into 5 elements: primary materials, hardware and fittings, auxiliary materials, transport and utilities. For each element, you should go through and add in all of the relevant data for your component across each of the lifecycle stages, as you would with any other template. For a step-by-step guide on creating an assessment, check out our training video on creating and editing assessments. As this template is designed to be usable for a huge variety of possible components, you may find that there are multiple elements and data fields that are not relevant for your component. You should leave these empty. The Expert template allows a flexible approach to building components. However, it means that, unlike other templates, you'll need to model your own auxiliary materials and utilities usage, as the assumed energy and consumables modelled have been removed from this template. You can add this data in the auxiliary materials and utilities elements. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.